we will get to know that what interesting happened today in science. So, my name is Ambika and I am here to tell you about the science events that happened today. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So, let's start with the first event, that is Solo Non-Stop Global Flight. Steve Fossett, the first man to fly solo around the world, departing from and arriving back in Sarina Municipal Airport in USA. The American pilot circled the Earth on board the Global Flyer aircraft, and it was a single-engine, single-use experimental jet plane. Steve was an adventurer. He knew what he wanted and how to accomplish it. He contacted people who were already in the profession and used their strengths to educate himself. And his records gave a taste of the extraordinary pilot he was. The next important event was Apollo 9. Apollo 9 was the second crewed Apollo mission that the United States launched via Saturn V rocket, and it was the first flight of the full Apollo spacecraft. The mission was flown to quality the lunar module for lunar orbit operations. The next important event was UK Color Television. Just imagine your life with black and white TV and you're watching some black and white serials. How are you feeling now? So, the BBC has announced plans to begin broadcasting television programs in color from next year. Britain will be the first country in Europe to offer regular programming in color. The announcement was made in the Commons by the Postmaster General Anthony Wedgwood Benn. And the next important event is Radio Facsimile Transmission. You know what is facsimile? Fax is the short name of facsimile. It is a technique for transmitting a copy of an original page or document to a remote location. So, in 1923, the first radio facsimile transmission made in the US on 3rd March. And the next important event is US International Air Mail. The first experimental foreign air mail flight from the US was made by A.T. Hubbard and William E. Boeing, while on a survey flight to Vancouver on 3rd March 1919. On board with them was a mail bag containing 60 letters, and that making this the first international US airmail flight. The next important event is US Standards Bureau. The National Bureau of Standards was founded by Congress on 3rd March 1901 as an authoritative domestic measurement and standards laboratory, and it was the first physical science research laboratory of the federal government. And the next important event is Cattle Tuberculosis Test. So, on 3rd March in 1892, the first tuberculosis test on a cattle in the US was made by Dr. Leonard Pearson with tuberculin that he had brought from Europe. He conducted the test on a herd at Claremont Farms. The next important event is AT&T Incorporation. On 3rd March in 1885, American Telephone and Telegraph Company was incorporated in New York State as a wholly owned subsidiary of American Bell. The company originated in 1874, formed as the Bell Patent Association to protect the patent rights of the inventor Mr. Alexander Graham Bell. The next important event is US Navy Steel Vessels. On 3rd March 1883, after 18 years of neglect, the United States began a period of naval modernization. So, the first steel vessels of the US Navy were authorized by Congress, and the 4 boats were built. The names were the cruiser Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, and a dispatch boat or a gunboat Dolphin. And these 4 ships were known as ABCD ships. And the next important event is Steam Distribution Plant. The New York Steam Company began providing service in Lower Manhattan on 3rd March 1882. And the process is like steam vapors being vented through a orange and white stack, which heats and cools buildings in Manhattan. The next important event is United States Geological Survey. The US Geological Survey was established by an act of Congress on 3rd March 1879. This act is to provide a permanent federal agency to conduct the systematic and scientific classification of the public lands and examination of the geological structure, mineral resources, and products of the national domain. And the integral part of the mission includes publishing and disseminating the earth science information needed to understand, to plan the use of, and to manage the nation's energy, land, minerals, and water resources. The next important event is Science Association. The National Academy of Science was signed into being by President Abraham Lincoln on 3rd March 1863. As mandate in its Act of Incorporation, the Academy has served to investigate, to examine, and to experiment and report upon any subject of science or art, whenever called upon to do so by any department of the government. And the next important event is First Black American Patent. On 3rd March in 1821, the first US patent issued to a Black American was granted to Thomas Jennings for a dry scoring cleaning process. Jennings used his royalties to buy his family out of slavery and to support the abolition of slavery. The next is the scientists who have born on 3rd March, and the names are Brian Cox, Daniel Chung Hong, Arthur Kornberg, Emil Artin, Sir Cyril Burt, Elmer McCallum, Henry Weatherby Henshaw, and the next are Alexander Graham Bell, George Cantor, Sir William Chandler, Robert Austin, Sir John Murray, George William Hill, George M. Pullman, Pierre Prévost, Andrews Margef. The next names are These are the scientists who have passed on 3rd March. Alec Gino, Gerhard Herschberg, Albert Bruce Sabin, William Penny, Charlotte Moore Sitterly, Sewell Wright, Losif Samuelvich Klossky. The next names are Edmund Beecher Wilson, William Kingdon Clifford, Robert Mills, John Christian Fabricius, William Stuckley, Robert Hooke, Matthias de Lowell. These are the scientists who have passed on 3rd March. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, comments and subscribe our channel, and please share this video to your friends who were born today and who want to know what happened in the history of the science today. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.